Merry Christmas and ho, 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 y'all. I am so excited because it is July. It is time for our unboxing of our gifts for the Christmas and July Swap 2026, hosted by our friend Carol at A Crinkle Path. And a special thank you to all of those folks that co-hosted and all of the folks that participated. And everybody that is a participant this year is in my description box. But better than that, you can type the hashtag right into your search bar and find all the videos of everybody unboxing their goodies. And then you'll probably see some of the artists that are at the very end. You'll probably see kind of what they created. And that'll be fun to look forward to as well. I'm just saying. So here's how this works. If you want to participate in the coming years, just let Carol know. And anybody can participate. We have folks that are participating on the Makers Market. We have folks on YouTube. And we have folks that don't have channels. And they participate by posting their things on their social media or on the Makers Market. But you fill out a little questionnaire. You tell people what you like. And somebody gets your name. Then they send you wonderful presents like I have in front of me. And we're just going to get right down to it. So on behalf of everybody that participated, join us next time. And here we go. Package number 1. By the way, this person has got some skills, and it looks like possibly they're a die-cutting queen, which I am not. Therefore, that excites me. This ribbon is cute. I have not seen that before. And can we just take a moment to let's just enjoy this. I love my ribbons and bows. I love the little shabby chic, the cottage core, the coquette, but pink and red. Oh my goodness. So here's what's going to happen. I'm going to open this one, and the instructions from our wonderful host, Miss Carol, was to do 3 tags for the first gift. The second, well, let me just tell you, 3 tags. And are these not Gorgina? I have these little, see, now I am going to try to figure out who my Secret Santa is while we chat. I have these very same things. I did not die cut them. They were pre-made. I think I might have got them on Temu. Let's see. This fabric is yummy. The little peppermints. And then she's got the Milk Pog from Shawnee Road in North Tonawanda, New York, with a little ticket. Oh, and she's sewn it with gold thread. Gorgeous. I love that. Oh, what fun. So last year, I did not do Christmas journals. I didn't do a December daily. Usually every year I do a December daily, and I didn't. So I'm kind of jonesing to get back on doing one for this year. Time will tell. I got a whole list of things to do, but I really would like to, and then I can use these in there. This is neat, and these are flocked. She's got a little ruffle there. Beautiful work. I love, love, love the gold thread. I think I have gold thread, but I'm lazy. I'm a lazy seamstress. I don't like to change my thread. This is cute. Look at this. Playing card. It says, be merry. Lovey, lovey, lovey. And here's what's cool about this. Now, you might think, okay, this looks kind of 70s, maybe even 60s, right? And this looks kind of Victorian. But look at how these they just fit together so perfectly, I think. I love it when you can throw things together that are not necessarily intuitively meant to go together. And this is some book page, no, maybe dictionary page, the little frame. That might be a Tim Holtz frame. And then just some cute little scraps. Awesome. Look at those. That, my friend, is eye candy. And yes, I will be using this again. To my Secret Santa, I can't wait to find out who you are. I will be back again during the time that Carol has for me to post my second video, and I will unveil package number 2 to you all. And until then, remember to take time to just be. And don't forget to check out all of the wonderful artists that are participating in this year's swap. And you can find those in Carol's playlist, in my description, or you can search it by searching Christmas in July Swap 2026. See you soon. Cheers.